देख लाइव नोटिफिकेशन आया क्या? एक मैसेज कर दे ग्रुप में। Am I visible, girls? Am I audible? नहीं हुआ? उसको बोल के नीचे आ जा। Okay, am I audible and visible properly? Oh, wait, I was, yeah. Hi, Apurva. Hi, Snehal. Hi, Dhanashri. How are you all? Okay. See, the number of counts are really less. It's really disheartening most of the time. Okay, I'll not waste the time and let's get started. Today's article is this beautiful kettle. This beautiful Tibetan kettle. We are going to learn this today. There was a girl today who called me up asking the clay platter. Is she there for the session? Okay, so again the article is saying we are going to use the molded, in which you have two candles. The one is hardener and one is resin. The pink one is resin, the other one is hardener. So let's get started. I think you know how to mix it. We just have to mix both the both the clay in equal proportion. Say if we are taking half, then half of both, 1/4 and 1/4 of both. So in this way I have to go with it. Before I start, I need to take a lot of talcum powder in my hand and then start mixing. I was expecting a little more crowd, guys. It's, you know what, it's really disheartening to see such a less number of people. मेरा वीडियो पास हो गया क्या? Okay, let me just set my cameras and see, I'm gonna mix both the things together here. So for showing you, I'm just taking this lid. This one I have done so that we can finish up the article on time. Am I audible and visible properly? If you don't have kettle, no problem Apurva. What you can do is आप कोई भी पॉट ले सकते हो ये करने के लिए. जो मट्टी का पॉट होता है, मटका होता है या कोई गमला है तो आप वो भी ले सकते हो. और यू कैन टेक एनी प्लास्टिक जार्स. जो अपने घर में एम्प्टी प्लास्टिक जार्स होते हैं उनको आप कुछ डेकोरेशन करने का सोचो. आई थिंक इवन दैट विल डू. ग्लास बॉटल्स ले सकते हैं. This time the clay pack was not really good, so I'm getting a lot of lumps. So that's completely fine. So I have to mix it till I get a single color here. So now I'm going to take my rolling pin again and apply talcum powder to it because this clay is little sticky. Hi Aarti, how are you? So somebody asked me about the article which we did yesterday. So for doing that article, I took this clay, I took this ceramic platter, this cup saucer, और उसके ऊपर मैंने ये राउंड करके पूरा लगा दिया था. For that you need to have at least two clay, and then ये जब पूरी तरीके से सूख गया, नहीं सॉरी, जब ये फिर इसके ऊपर I took this impression of hearts and then I painted this. This was my yesterday's article. Somebody asked me about this article today, so I'm just explaining it once more time. So today's article, Madhu, today's article is this kettle. This is the replica of a Tibetan kettle. So we are going to do this today. So once I'm done with the rolling pin, I'm going to cut this. Okay. I hope I'm visible. Let me just set my tripod properly. Okay. So I'm going to cut this in square chips. And before you do this, आपको वापस से नाइफ के ऊपर टाल्कम पाउडर लगाना है. स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लो. आपको स्क्वायर पीसेस कट करनी है. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. This is the way you have to cut this, and then I'm going to show you this lid only today. So you can take your Fevicol A+ or fabric glue or Fevicol, anything is fine. I'm going to stick this chips here. So basically I have to stick this in the form of mosaic. इसको और डीप कट करना पड़ेगा. आपने बहुत जगह मोज़ाइक फॉर्म देखा होगा, जैसे हम लोग हमारे टेरेस पे करते हैं या फिर गार्डन एरियाज़ में भी होते हैं. तो सेम वे दिस मोज़ाइक फॉर्म यू नीड टू डू इट ऑन योर केटल. about this glue, it will get transparent. It's always better, you must let it dry for 10 minutes and then start, so that the pieces are also like cut properly and अच्छे से वो सेट हो जाएगा. अगर आप गीले में करते हो तो इट इज़ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर दी क्ले टू गिव शेप, और उसका शेप भी थोड़ा सा ख़राब हो जाता है. सो व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस, wait for a while and then start. So it should not be even, because जब मोज़ाइक फॉर्म होता है तो ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो एकदम स्ट्रेट फॉर्म में ही होना चाहिए. It could be little, the shape should be like little here and there is fine. Am I clear to everybody? So I'm going to just make a round here like this. With the help of any kind of impression, you can just take the impression like this. See, in the earlier kettle, I did something like sun here, and if you can see carefully, it's a tortoise here. Always apply talcum powder. So once this is done, I'm going to take my acrylic color sunflower kit, or you can have your lilac kit, anything is fine. Now I'm going to take my Persian blue and light blue. See, the color combination could be of your choice. For more details, you can just go on Google and search about Tibetan kettle, the color combinations of Tibetan kettle, and you can just make one of your choice. So I'm taking light blue color and I'm just adding a tint of Persian blue to it. Yeah, I just forgot to mention, I have applied black acrylic color on the kettle for the base, and then I did my molded work on this, the mosaic technique. Now see, this process you have to only do once the molded is completely dried. So just have to color one mosaic here like this. So you need to do it very carefully so that it should not come on your black area of kettle. See. And once this is done, it will look something like this. I need to finish this a little more because this portion is also left. It should come like this. So design you can create according to your choice. In this I have done mosaic form of clay. So you need to color the entire thing, but only color the clay work once it is completely dry. And once it is done, you can either take glass color sea blue, because जो kettles होते हैं वो gems के बने हुए होते हैं, that is like precious stones and semi precious stones के होते हैं. तो उसके ऊपर एक बहुत ही प्यारा ग्लॉस होता है. इफ़ यू सी एनी स्टोन्स, एनी प्रीशियस स्टोन, तो उसके ऊपर एक शाइन होता है. तो टू अचीव दैट ग्लॉस आपको इसके ऊपर से ग्लास कलर करना है. सी, यू गेट दिस enamel काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट. आई होप आई एम क्लियर गाइज. So this is a technique for doing this kettle, and once you have done the glass color, just hold it for a while, let it dry, because glass color is very liquid. So if you just leave it like that, वो color एक तरफ जमा हो जाएगा. So what you have to do is just hold it for a little while and then move to next. So it gives you a very beautiful precious stones type of effect. If you don't have glass color, no worries. You can just take your Mod Podge glue and then coat it. Even that is fine. Then you'll get an effect like this. So you can see the difference in both the. This gives you a proper stone effect, and this gives you just a bit of shine. So this is the difference. I just hope I'm clear. If you have any query, you can ask me regarding this kettle. So if you don't have this kettle, no problem. You can do it on any of the ceramic pot also. For the summation, you can take any plastic jars, glass jars, anything is fine. And design of your choice. I need all the submissions by Friday. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll wait for another 2 minutes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
चिप्स
Girls, I'm waiting. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Am I clear to everybody? इसका तूने स्क्रीनशॉट्स लिए हैं क्या? हाँ, कितना लिया मैक्सिमम? अभी ले ले, 10 है, 11 है, जल्दी से ले. I hope I'm clear to everybody. See you soon. I want all the submissions by Friday, and I hope I'll get little more participants so that I can I'm able to conduct my free sessions for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody.